Did you know that there was a Civil Rights Act before 1964? Well, yes, there was. The Civil Rights Act of 1866 was a landmark law passed by Congress on April 9, 1866, primarily aimed at protecting the rights of formerly enslaved people in the aftermath of the Civil War. It was the first federal law to define citizenship and affirm that all citizens are equally protected by the law, regardless of race. Citizenship for All declared that all persons born in the United States, except Native Americans, who were not granted citizenship until later, were citizens regardless of race, color, or previous condition of servitude. Equal rights guaranteed all citizens the right to make contracts, own property, sue and be sued, and enjoy the full protection of the law just like white citizens. Federal enforcement allowed federal authorities to take legal action against state officials or individuals who violated these rights. The act was passed in response to the Black Codes, restrictive laws enacted in the South to limit the freedom of African Americans after slavery was abolished. President Andrew Johnson vetoed the bill, arguing it gave too much power to the federal government and favored Black Americans over whites. Congress overrode the veto, making it the first major law enacted over a presidential veto. The law laid the foundation for later civil rights legislation, including the 14th Amendment, 1868, which further solidified birthright citizenship and equal protection. While the Civil Rights Act of 1866 was a major step toward racial equality, its impact was limited due to lack of enforcement, especially after Reconstruction ended in 1877. However, it remains a critical piece of civil rights history, influencing future legal battles for racial justice in the U.S. Donald Trump said that Andrew Johnson was his favorite president. Do you see any similarities?